Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sync survey responses from Typeform to Airtable for customer insights. Suppose you are collecting responses for a survey with the help of Typeform, in which manually feeding all the data in your Google Sheets can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to integrate Typeform and Airtable, which will automate the whole process of collecting responses and feeding it into your Airtable automatically. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing automation, then let me take you to my screen. This is the automation that I've created with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I have linked the Typeform entries to our Airtable account, from which whenever the Typeform receives a new form, automatically the responses will get fed in Airtable. Before we begin the procedure of creating this amazing automation, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let's fill a new type form. Here I've created this simple form, and here I'm going to submit all the details. First name as test, last name as user, this given dummy phone number. Here I'm going to provide a dummy email and a dummy company name. I'm going to submit it, and let's see if we have received the response. And here we can see that we have received the response successfully. So now we have to map the received data here. Here it has already entered all the data. First name as test, last name as user, phone number, email ID and our company name. So here I'm going to simply click on save and send request, and it has sent our data automatically in the sheet. Here we have received test user, this given phone number, this given email ID and this given company name automatically. Now if you also want to create this amazing automation, then we have to visit Pabbly Connect website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com and it will redirect you to Pabbly's dashboard. Here we have two options for sign in and sign up. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. Here we get all the apps provided by Pabbly. We have to access Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new workflow, click on create workflow. Here I'm going to name my workflow as sync survey responses from Typeform to Airtable for customer insights. I'm going to click on create, and here it says workflow created successfully. Here we get two features. First one is trigger and second one is action. First we have to choose our trigger application as Typeform, and we have to choose trigger event as new entry. Then I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection, and then I'm going to click on connect with Typeform. Here I'm going to accept, and it says authorization successful. Here I'm going to select form as Typeform customers. This is the form that I've created. Now we have to choose an action application, and here I'm going to choose Airtable. Here I'm going to select action event as create record, and then I'm going to click on connect. It is asking existing connection. Here I'm going to click on add new connection, and then I'm going to click on connect with Airtable. Here I'm going to add a base as Typeform responses, all current and future bases in workplace, and I'm going to click on grant access. Here it says authorization successful. Here it is asking for base name, that is the sheet that I've created with the help of Airtable. So here I've created this table, and I have linked my Pabbly's action event to this table. So this is table number 1. So here it shows table number 1. Here I'm going to map the data, but before we map the data, we have to receive response in our trigger application, and for this we have to submit a form. So here I'm going to save and send test request, and here I'm going to submit this form as demo user, and here I'm going to provide a dummy number and a dummy mail, and here I'm going to provide company name as ABC company, and I'm going to submit this form. And here we have received this response. That means our trigger application is synced perfectly and is working perfectly fine. The data that we have received here, we are going to map in our action application. So here I'm going to map the data as demo and last name as user, phone number here, and email address as question email here, company name as ABC Company, and it says enable typecasting. Typecasting, if enabled, allows you to forcefully create an option with past value and multiple choices. I'm going to keep it in false settings. You can enable it if you want. Then I'm going to simply click on save and send request. And here the result seems positive, so let's see if our Airtable has successfully fed our data. And here we can see our Airtable has automatically casted the data in our table number 1. So this is how this automation works. Whenever a form is submitted in Typeform, the fields will get filled automatically in Airtable. If you also want to create such automation, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. You simply have to choose an application, then trigger event. Then you have to connect your Typeform and select your Typeform name here. Click on save and send request and it will gather all the data filled in the form, which you can map in your action event, and click on save and send request and automatically all your data will get fed in the respective Airtable sheet. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automations with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.